Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through a quick and easy guide on how to delete a scheduled post on LinkedIn. Whether you scheduled something by mistake, changed your mind, or simply want to update your content, LinkedIn makes it simple to remove a scheduled post before it goes live. Let's get started. The first step is to open the LinkedIn app on your phone. Once you're on the home screen, tap on the post icon, which looks like a plus sign. This is the same button you normally use to start creating a new post. At the top of the screen, you'll see a clock icon. Go ahead and tap on that. This will bring up your scheduling options. Now, choose View All to see a complete list of every post you have scheduled to publish later. Next, scroll through the list and find the exact post you want to delete. Once you've located it, look for the three dots sitting next to that post. Tap those three dots to bring up more options. From the menu that appears, select Delete. LinkedIn will ask you to confirm, just to be sure you really want to remove the scheduled post. After confirming, the post will be completely removed from your scheduled list. That's it. You're done. Deleting a scheduled post is useful if you want to avoid outdated information being published, or if you're simply restructuring your content calendar. By staying on top of your scheduled posts, you can make sure every piece of content you put out truly reflects your message and goals. So to quickly recap, open the LinkedIn app and tap the post icon. Tap the clock icon and select View All. Find your post and tap the three dots. Select Delete and Confirm. And that's how you can easily delete a scheduled post on LinkedIn. Keep your profile and content strategy fresh by managing your scheduled posts whenever needed.